I was just sitting down here taking a break. Heard some weird noise. Check it out. Is that a crow? Getting mad at the kids in the park, maybe. Got a nest around here somewhere. I don't know. Oh, I just heard a hummingbird buzz me. Oh, he's right there. They're fighting almost. What is going on? Let's see, where'd the hummingbird go? Oh, he's behind the roof line now. I can't see him. Well, now we got a dog in on it too. Big conversation. Nah, I can't find it. Oh, there he goes. And he's off to another tree. And we've got our hummingbird still here though. Nope, he's gone too. Alright, till next time. Whoa, that might be right now. There we go. That's not a crow, is it? Maybe he's trying to steal some eggs, huh? That's probably what it is. Alright, I'll keep you posted on what happens.